Hello, Wildcats. This is Miss Ivy here for Monday's Marvelous Book Talk. Today I'm sharing with you Reckless by Cornelia Funk. First thing is, her website is amazing, so I encourage you to check it out. There's lots of cool stuff on her website. So in this one, ever since Jacob Reckless was a child, he has been escaping into a hidden secret world through a portal in his father's abandoned study. And over the years, he has kind of developed a name for himself. He has discovered buried secrets and enchanted forests and enchanted items. So needless to say, he's made some friends and some enemies. But the life in that enchanted world begins to change one day when tragedy strikes. Will, Jacob's younger brother, follows him through the portal. And when he is brutally attacked, he begins to develop a curse quickly that is transforming him into a ruthless killer made out of stone. So Jacob will do whatever it takes to save his brother. But in a world that is full of lies and trickery, it's going to take every bit of courage, wit, and recklessness that he's got in order to save his brother. Will he be able to do it? Will he be able to do it in time? To find out, read Reckless. This is Miss Ivy coming at you from your Wayside Library.